Hi guys, this is THC the Herb Culture and today we're gonna unbox Cannablithe Soothing Oil. The packaging is quite sleek and informative and comes with a white transparent packaging over the packaging itself. These are the ingredients which it has, and I've paused the video so that you can have a better look at it. If you talk about the main ingredients, which are hemp, rosemary, blackcurrant and natural neroli oil. This is a 100% natural oil suitable for all skin types, for body, face and hair. Complete skin regime. Effective for itchy, dry and sensitive skin. This is a 90 ml bottle and comes at a price of $5.99, and you can get a discount from our website too. How to use it: apply a few drops on the skin and let the oil be absorbed by gently massaging. Apply twice a day for best results. Natural product tend to change appearance and fragrance over time. However, product's efficiency remains the same. The bottle is transparent and you can see the oil right through it. And it comes with a tincture which you can use so that you can apply it on your face too. Click on the like button if you like the video and also subscribe to THC the Herb Culture. Thank you.